Hello, so I'm back with another random Python coding. I have these three projects that I have in mind, and it's still about Kuya Will. I don't know why, but the concept of Kuya Will is just so fun to code. So number one, Wheel of Fortune. So we'll be tackling user input in this one. So the only instruction is that the user can assign choices on the wheel. After the user has finished creating the choices, spin the wheel. So I have not created this one. We will try to create this from scratch, and then let's see where this goes. Create an account in Replit, and then just hit new rep, and then choose a title for your project. Say Wheel of Fortune, right? Okay. Create REPL. So we are done creating the REPL, so we can start now. So first things first is, how do we get user input? So we need to ask a user what he or she would put on the wheel. I'll just name this choice, okay? And to have a input, let's just you can just do this input parentheses, and then you can add strings in here. The choice to the wheel. And let's try to print the choice as well. I'll try to do this as fast as I can, okay, while explaining it to you. Add a choice to the wheel. Okay, it prints hello, so the choice now has our input. Okay, it's as easy as that in Python. So another thing we need to consider is that the user can have as many inputs on the wheel. So we need to put this. So this loop will run infinitely. Let's test. Hello. It will go on and on. So we need a way to stop this. So the way to do it is to create another variable that will hold the value true. So let's name our variable is not done. Well, it is not done, then the loop will run as long as not done is true. And to break the loop, we can just say not done is equals to false, and this will break the loop. So we'll expect this to only have one iteration. Okay, it's done. So because we said that not done is equals to false. So but we will not do this, okay? We need to specify how can a user exit. So let's just say that he needs to press a certain button, or he needs to input a certain letter. Let's say input X. When the user will input X, then this loop will end. So if I always do this, choice that lower this. So this means that if the user has inputted capital letter X, then it will turn it to a lowercase, just a small letter X. Then let's test it. Let's say hello world, the hell. And then when we input X and then press enter, this will break the loop. Okay, it's going well for now. What do we need to do? All right, I don't want this display. They stack on each other. I want to clear the screen. So the way to do that is we need to have a package called OS, and then so to clear this, if just need to have to clear the screen, we just need to pass this. Let's see if the clear screen works. What? God. CLS not found. Okay. How about let's try clear? Is it clear? Okay. It works. See, it's clearing the screen and displaying another set of strings. So we'll use this later, okay? I'm just trying to show you what it does and how to clear the screen. So we need to take hold of the choices. So let's make a list of choices. Let's call it wheel choices for simplicity, equals an empty list, because we will append or add to the list later. So how can we add to the list? Let's just say if choice, actually we can put it in an else. So as long as it's not X, then it will add to the list. Wheel choices. To add to a list, we just need to say append, and then what do we want to put in the list? Choice. I think I'll use the OS system clear here. I think it will be useful in the else statement. Stop it first. Okay, so hello world. Okay, so I think it's working fine, but we need to display it first. So I just want to display the choices that we have in the list. This list, wheel choices. The way to do that is, let's try and say choices. Choices, wheel choices. Doesn't matter. Choices is. Oh, I guess we need to put it in a loop because we need to iterate through the elements of the list to display it one by one. So let's put it like this. For X, let's just say X. For X and wheel choices. Print X. Okay, this will print every element that is inside this list. So let's try running it. So as you can see, there's still no strings inside the wheel choices, so it doesn't display anything. Let's say hello to add an element to the list. Displays here, hello. And then how about another one? Confirm hello world. Okay, I don't want this. I don't want to have it printed in a new line, so I need to customize that. So the way to do this is just to say end equals this. So after this string, this will come after. So it does not print into a new line, but instead it replaces it with just an empty string. So let's try and run it. See? Hello. This is fun, man. Hello world. Oh, I think it's... Oh, it's not here. It's not here. It's not here. It needs to be in here. So the end is equals to... Let's stop this for a minute and then... Okay, here. I think this will work now. Hello world. Okay, there. I think that was correct also. So we need to put this also in here, because we want this and this to be in one single line. But to make it a lot prettier, I want to put it inside square brackets. So input. We'll fix that later. Okay, this one. Hello. See, it works. It works now. Okay, so let's fix this. What the hell? Okay, let's fix this. So let's put it here. It will go to a new line. All right, I think it's fixed now. Hello world. Wow, amazing.
God.
Okay, we have a working system when it comes to putting choices on the wheel choices list.